Welcome to Mindful Growth Studio, your daily step towards a better you. This morning, let's cultivate positive energy and set the tone for a day filled with intention, gratitude, and joy. Take a moment to settle into a comfortable seated position. Close your eyes. Rest your hands gently on your knees, with your palms facing upward, and allow yourself to arrive fully in this moment. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale softly through your mouth. Repeat this 2 more times. Now, as you continue breathing naturally, invite a sense of gratitude into your heart. Reflect on the blessings, big or small, that fill your life. Let this gratitude flow through your body, grounding you in the present moment. With your next breath, imagine a radiant, positive energy entering through the top of your head. As you exhale, visualize this energy flowing gently through your entire body, traveling down your arms, your torso, your legs, and exiting through the tips of your toes. Let it push away any stagnant, or negative energy that no longer serves you. Inhale deeply, welcoming this loving, high-vibrational energy. Exhale fully, releasing any tension, doubt, or lingering thoughts from the past. With each breath, you are cleansing your energy, preparing yourself to embrace this new day. Today is a fresh start. It is an opportunity to create something beautiful. Yesterday is behind you, and you are free to release anything that may have weighed you down. Imagine your heart feeling lighter, your mind clearer, and your spirit ready to soar. This morning, I invite you to repeat these affirmations silently or out loud, allowing them to become part of your energy. I am worthy. I am enough. I love myself. I trust myself. I believe in myself. I am exactly where I'm meant to be. I am powerful. I am resilient. I choose love over fear. My life is abundant, and I am deserving of joy and success. Now take 3 more deep breaths. Inhale deeply through your nose and exhale fully through your mouth. Let these breaths connect you to your highest self and prepare you for the day ahead. Now bring a smile to your face and sit with this feeling of contentment and happiness. When you are ready, slowly blink open your eyes and take in the world with a fresh perspective. Today is your canvas, and you are the artist. Thank you for beginning your day with me here at Mindful Growth Studio. If you enjoyed this practice, please like this video and share your thoughts in the comments. Your journey inspires us, and we'd love to connect with you. Have a beautiful day, sending you love and positivity.